First of all, let's talk about how to download and install the Lead Sniper extension. So you just have to go to this website leadsniper.com. So this is the home page of leadsniper.com. So just scroll down and click on this download extension. Click on this show in folder and just extract this file. After extracting, you just have to add this extension to your Google Chrome browser. So here you can see we have successfully added this extension to our Google Chrome browser. So let's see how it works. Just open Google Map in new browser. Our main theme of the video starts from here. Let's suppose that you are a wholesaler and you just want to supply different products to different companies. For example, you have just contacted a drug company and you are willing to supply different medicines to medical stores. Or I may say that I own a fish farm and I just want to supply fish to different restaurants. So I will just search for restaurants in Rawalpindi. So here you can see that we have got a lot of results about restaurants in Rawalpindi. I will just click on this. So you have to follow this step. So after completing this step, you just have to click on this extension. The extension will validate your license. So for getting license, you have to buy this extension. Here you can see that we have got over 1k total leads, and you can get more once you will subscribe to their lifetime package. Then you will get more results. So within seconds, we have scraped 1000 restaurants contact details, and you can do much more with this extension. So these all are the restaurants. Now I will click on this export and click on this download. So let me open this downloaded file. So these all are the restaurants, and we have got a detailed information about these restaurants. We have also got their phone numbers, and if I scroll down, then you can see that I have got over 1k restaurant details. So from here you can just contact that restaurant and just deal your business. So through this extension you can earn money. One of the best feature of this extension is that you have also got the social media platforms of these restaurants. This extension is also time saving, as all results are sorted out and added automatically in a separate sheet. You don't have to search for different restaurants one by one. So for getting the license key of this extension, you have to pay $29.99 per month only, and if you want to register for lifetime, then this is the rate for this extension. So this is it. Hope you have liked this video, and all the best for your new business. Subscribe my channel for more videos.